Hello and welcome to the new season of the Making Diablo clone in Lisp. So yeah, as you could have noticed, I've been having some break from this project. So yeah, I've been dealing with some personal stuff. So yeah, now I think I'm back. So I would be doing some more stuff with that, and yeah, hopefully I would get that to some point. So yeah, I think I will also change the idea of what I'm doing. So previously I was trying to like polish everything and like every aspect, but now I think I will just kind of concentrate on just making an engine for this kind of games, for the Diablo-like slashers, because I have kind of plenty of different ideas to implement in that and to kind of deconstruct this kind of games. So yeah, I think I would need the engine for that. So yeah, hopefully, to my surprise, after all of these changes in versions, etc., I was able to start the game without any major changes. I just tweaked the name of Golden Utils library by Michael Fiano, because he changed the name again of this library. So yeah, I tweaked that and was able to start the game naturally. Да, привет. Используется SBCL, который Steelbank Common Lisp. Окей, да, если что, рассказывать буду на английском, что я делаю. Right, so this season 1 cliffhanger was like making some sounds and changes in sound like effects, so I think I would have to finish that and probably make a new release, because right now using this kind of resources and sounds, the game wouldn't even start from the current sources. Right, so probably let me just pause the music and just see if which sounds do I need. Okay, so I think I was working on this skeleton, and yeah, there is no moving sounds of this skeleton, but I can hear the footsteps of the character, of the main character. Yeah, right, and if it hits me, yeah, this is in place, and if I, oh yeah, and if I hit that, right, probably I would want to kill that, but yeah, okay, let me just try again and kill the skeleton to see if there's the death sound for the skeleton. Yeah, there is a death sound of skeleton. I've definitely heard that. Right, so what would I need? What would I need? That would be the sound of skeleton moving. Okay, so let me see. There should be some folders with those. Okay, so let me just open. Yeah, probably not that, but the yeah, the kit. And in resources there are sounds, and yeah, there's the folder alt, which keeps the sounds from the previous version of, well, sound effects. Alright, so let me see. The thing is, there was a sound of skeleton dying. Yeah, let me see, skeleton body death. There it is. Oh yeah, I do have the sound for death, but I reckon I don't have the sound for walking. Yeah, this one. Right, so for walking I have actually this idea to kind of split the sound of the footsteps, because, okay, let me just show you. So I probably need ISC Prite and open what I need to open. Yeah, let's open skeleton. So here in skeleton there is, when it moves, there is this walk animation, and in properties of this walk animation, oh, there isn't even any data. Okay, but the thing is, there was this sound previously kinda set here, in the properties of this animation. And the thing is, there was one single sound file with 2 footstep sounds, like this one. Like it contains actually 2 of those. Yeah. And probably I could split those into 2 separate files and put them separately into the animation. So I think it would be better in terms of like stopping. So if the character was moving and then it stops, it would stop more or less naturally. So yeah, I think I would probably need to split that into 2. Okay, let me have a look at what do I have right now. What do I have? Skeleton, where is? Okay, so I have even different variations here. And the thing is, yeah, I probably wouldn't want that. I mean, I don't really need that much of a polish because of, well, my paradigm shift. I would be focusing on the engine itself, so I would just drop that sounds here. So I think I would have to split that into 2 different sounds and then just copy it back. Okay, so let me start by splitting those. So the length here is 550 milliseconds approximately. So the so divided by 2, that would be 225. So let me see, where would that be? All right, 25. Yeah, here. So let me just get that. Right. Ooh, yeah, that would take a while. And cut it. So then I have this. Oh, it's a bit longer. Okay, let me think. This animation has its length. So it should be, I reckon every frame is 100 milliseconds. Yeah, so the whole animation is 600. Okay, so probably I don't need to cut it at 225, but rather to cut it on 220. And okay, so I would probably have to look at right. So probably I would just round that at like 200 here and start that one from like what from 200, no, from 300. Yeah, from 300. So that would be 3rd frame. Right, so let me do that without losing this length information. So let me cut that. That would be the first one. Let me just think a bit. Okay, probably I would white squads, not hexagons. Oh yeah, the thing is, I'm kind of trying to follow what's internally in Diablo 2, and in Diablo 2 you have this like rectangular actually tiles which are in isometric projection, so they're kind of in a rhomboid shape. So yeah, that's kind of how it's often done in those kind of games. I mean, I could have gone with hexagons, but it's a bit harder in programming. And then I don't know. I kind of think it's more suited for kind of strategy games like Heroes of Might and Magic, etc. And I think for kind of slasher, for an RPG slasher, this kind of tile would work. I don't know, I'm kind of open to suggestions, but I've already put a lot of effort into maths for those tiles. So yeah. I mean, yeah, hexagon tiles also could work in different kinds of games. So yeah, oh, sorry, nope, I don't want that. I want kill that. Okay, so I would cut that. Yeah, I wanted to just write down my length. No, I didn't want to do that. So the second sound would start at yeah, okay, let me just duplicate that so I would have this file as a reference, because I'm terrible at remembering stuff. So that was what? Skeleton body walk. Okay, let's have it. So 200 milliseconds, here we go. So let's create a new one, paste that, and export as OGG into what? Oops. Okay, so let's go here, data clone kit, resources, sounds. So yeah, that would be called, how that would be called actually? So that would be skeleton walk, I guess. Oh yeah, skeleton, heroine death. So it would be similar to a heroine, which is the main character, the main thing here. So heroine cloth walk. Okay, so in this file name we have hard-coded the kind of the armor type, but skeleton does not have armor type, so we're fine with this name. So skeleton walk. Okay. No, wait, that's the first one, the first part. Skeleton walk 1 oak. Okay, here we go. Yeah, I guess so. Okay, and then the second one. So let's have it here. Okay, so I would start cutting it at here at 100. No, wait a sec. Here, but in these coordinates it was what that was 300, I guess. Yeah, 300. So I would have to put that into the third frame, right? Yeah, I guess so. Give me just a moment. So the first one would go here into frame 5. And then this is this frame is 0 from 100, this is from 100 to 200, this is from 200 to 300. So I would have to put this second sound into 8th frame. So yeah, I guess that's the math. And you can also see how it kind of actually puts a leg into the ground. So this his front leg, you can see on frame 7 it's kinda not reached the floor yet, and on frame 8 it's kinda hit the ground. So yeah, I guess that would work perfectly. Okay, so let me just export the second file. Where was it? Okay, so we start here at, let me just do it more precisely. Okay, so wait a sec. Here we have extra 70 milliseconds. It's almost a full frame. But yeah, anyway, I'm not aiming for a perfect result. I just want the engine to be done. So, well, this might have been the placeholders for sounds as well. So where was I? New project, then paste, and then export to OGG, skeleton walk 2. Here we go. Okay, we got it. So now let's just put those sounds. Let's just check it works. So sounds, skeleton, where is it? Walk 1. Yeah, and walk 2. Nice, nice. Okay, so let's just kill that, and that 2, and that 2, and that. Okay, so now I just have to put those sounds here in appropriate frames. Let me just remember how I was doing that in season 1. Okay, let me just probably copy that from here, for instance. So yeah, here we go. So what do I have here? An uninterruptible sound. Okay. So this is actually a LISP list. It's kind of a LISP data structure. So yeah, sound, and we have only one variation here. So no list here. Skeleton walk 1. Okay, I guess that's it. sound skeleton walk 1, yeah. Now let me just copy that and reuse that on frame 8. So properties, here we go, but here walk 2. Okay, nice. So let's save it and see if that works. Okay, what is right? Oops. Okay. Yeah, it works. Cool. Yeah, the footsteps are all the way through. Yeah, now it's stuck. Okay. It kinda happens with my dump pathfinding. I would have to fix that later. So let's see, is that actually sounds properly? Yeah, I think it kinda does. Yeah, this will do. Okay, awesome. Now we have, I think, all of these sounds for a skeleton. Ow, that's loud. Okay, and probably the last thing to do would be Skeleton Knight, which is kind of the large skeleton and also the boss of the game of sorts. So let's see. Let me just try and spawn that enemy into here. So in src get LISP. Okay, so we have skeleton, and instead of skeleton, I would want, what would I want? Okay, let me just open the game, the actual game, the Darkness Lumen that was created on this engine previously, and see how I done it there. So package input here, DLD. So Skeleton Knight, vision range, blah blah blah. Prefab Skeleton Knight. Okay, alrighty. So let's change the name of this mob and tweak that from skeleton to Skeleton Knight. Okay, here we go. So recompile that and let's see. So probably it would be silent, I reckon. Or probably even fail with an error. Oh no, it kind of works. Yeah, and it's silent in its steps, and ooh, that is loud. Let me see. Yeah, that was fun. Okay, where was I? So first of all, I would need the steps, right? So where was it? Let me just open Skeleton Knight. Okay, so which folder it is? Yeah, that's the proper folder. Okay, so I'm interested if the death sound, if it has the death sound, and it does not. Okay, alrighty. So what do we have? What we had previously about those Skeleton Knights? Skeleton body, and skeleton body. Oh. Huh, weird. How it was working previously. Hand close, wing hit, lid. Yeah, let me have a look at the actual game, at the Darkness Lumen. So, in sounds here, yeah, weird. Ah, yeah, here we go. Skeleton Knight body death. How wouldn't I see it here? Is it the same? Skeleton body. Where is it? Death. Yeah, it's kind of different. Yeah, I would just copy that here into the new sounds. Skeleton Knight body death. Okay, let's have it as the sound here in the animation file. So let's go to cell properties, uninterruptible, blah blah blah. Okay, so I would just copy that from the usual skeleton. Yeah, here we go. Oops, have I changed anything? No, I don't think so. Alright, let's copy that here and just change the file name. So we don't have the second variation, and we have skeleton night death. Night death. Okay. Right, so at least now I have a death sound. Give me just a moment. Oh, there is one thing that I forgot. Give me just a moment. Of course, I forgot my screen key, which is that thing that shows my keys that I'm pressing. Yeah, give me just one moment. Okay. That is weird. Huh. Okay, that was weird. But yeah, right. I need this screen key program. So here we go. Now that would be better. Yeah, probably I've just changed something irreversibly. Have I? Okay, I think not. Right, so I have a death sound. Now I need a footsteps, and I also need some other things. Okay, so let me see. I think I have some attack sound hard-coded somewhere here, or rather not hard-coded, but you get the idea. Swing and hit. No, hit is when it receives damage, and yeah, swing. I want to look here. Weird. How does it work? Oh yeah, right. I do have some separate table that kinda has the correspondence between different mobs and their kinda armor classes and weapon classes. Oh, I do remember that. Okay, so that's in the program that's called it's called CastleDB. Oh yeah, sorry. CastleDB, and yeah, here we go. So I would have to add here something, I guess. Sword, kitten. No, wait a sec. That's the armor class and weapon class that I should hard code, or rather put into the animation file, right? Yeah, now I remember. I need to put it here in the properties of a layer, or into the, wait a sec. Okay, where was it? Yeah, here we go. So it is in the properties of a layer. And yeah, so which weapon classes do I have? Nipples, fist, sword, dagger, fist, claw, dagger, sword, fists. Wait, why? Oh yeah, that's the table of different combinations of hitting of weapon class and over the some armor. Yeah, right. So I would have to probably copy that for a skeleton knight, because it also has an armor class of a bone, or rather bones, and a weapon class of a sword, right? Yeah, give me a moment. Yeah, right. Okay, so let me just copy that. How do I... damn it. Let me just copy that into the skeleton knight. So what do I have here? Yeah, right, nothing. So let's put it... oh, I think I've... yeah, everything's fine. Okay, so let us see if that helps. Oops. Now it should make some difference. I mean, for the skeleton knight. Yeah, it still moves silently, but if I hit it... yeah, I think that works. and also, yeah, right. Okay, I think that's correct sound-wise. So let's see. So I think we only need the death sound. Have I put it here? Yeah, I did. And the only thing that's left is movement sound again on the walk animation. By the way, it kinda hits too fast, don't you think? So probably it's a bit overpowered. Let me just have a look. Swing, yes, in swing. Oh yeah, of course we have a duration here of 40 milliseconds, but that's just kinda to kind of make the sound last the same time as the animation lasts. So let me see. 40, huh? That's weird. So here in skeleton we have what? How many is that? 19? Is it 19? No. Where do I look for the number of frames I've selected? That's not very convenient, but anyway, that would be 6, right? 3, no. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That would be 8 frames. And each frame would be 75 milliseconds. Here, on the other hand, we have 3, 6, also 8 frames, but each frame is 40 milliseconds. Okay, why would I do that? I'm not exactly sure. Yeah, probably to make it kinda a bit overpowered. Okay, let's leave it be. I reckon I was able to beat it, although it was quite hard. Right, so the death, and yeah, we only need the sound for walking animation of that creature. So where was it? So how do I? Okay, spider and no, that's not what I need. Yeah, I probably have to look here. Skeleton body hit, bunny swing, skeleton night body body walk. And yeah, I need that. So let's just I don't know, copy that here. Sounds old, and yeah, where is it again? Damn it. And yeah, here it is. Skeleton night body walk. So let's open that. Oh, okay. So what I want to do here is the same thing as with usual skeleton. I want to split it into 2 different files. Wow. That's how it moves? Seriously? I mean, that's how it was moving in the previous version. Yeah, okay, let's just go with that. Why not? So, in walk we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 frames. So yeah, again, probably I would just split it evenly. No, wait, 8 frames, and each frame 100 milliseconds, so it's 800 in total, right? And here we have 500. Okay, alright. So let's think. How do I want to split this abomination into 2 even files? Yes, so to split that evenly, I mean that file, it would be here on 250 mark. And here. Right. Okay, that's a bit awkward. What if I end here? Nope. 2 and 20. I mean 210. Nope. Yeah, probably that would make sense if I just cut it at 200 mark here and then start with that. Yeah, that would make sense. Let's do that. So first we cut 200 from here and make new project, paste and export into OGG here into the, okay, let's just click maybe here and just add here night skeleton night walk 1. Okay, and then let's have the second part, this one, and let's save it, or rather re-export at skeleton night body walk 2, right? Body skeleton night, why body? Wait a sec, that's kind of wrong name for the file. So yeah, right, night walk skeleton night walk 2. Okay, that would do the trick, so let's close that and that. Right, so where was I? Skeleton night body death. I don't want body in here, right? I mean, why would I need that? It's just skeleton night death. So here, yeah, I've put it properly here. Okay, so where was I? Let's put here the first one. So let's maybe again copy from a usual skeleton here. Skeleton walk 1. Okay, and put it here. All right, skeleton walk, skeleton night. Here we go. And then, so it was ending at 200, right? So this frame is 0 from 100, this frame is 100 from 200, and I think I have to put it here at frame 7, don't I? But I don't know. Yeah, probably I should. Okay, let me try with the frame 8 and let's see how that sounds. So skeleton walk 2, and yeah, here we go. Let's see how it would limp. I think something fallen. Okay. It kind of works, but I don't know. Let me have a look at the variant with the previous frame. So let's remove it from here and put on frame 7, as it probably should be. Okay, let's see. Unfortunately, I have to restart the whole game to reload resources. But probably that will change in future. I don't know, it haven't changed that much. Okay, it's stuck again. Yeah, it probably was a bit more natural with the frame 8. Yeah, with this it sounds kinda short, or I don't know how to put it in English or in Russian. But the thing is, I probably want that on frame 8 here. So let's see. Okay, let's hear for it once more. Yeah, okay. Yeah, it kinda looks and sounds a bit more natural, kinda. Yeah, that will do. Okay. So I probably should test death sound, but to do that I would need to do some cheating here. And probably, okay, what do I want? Probably I want to raise my own damage or to lower this thing damage. So let's go with the second. What was it? So combat mean damage, max damage 10. So let's leave maximum damage at 1. Okay, so let me just try and kill that. Just not to spend a lot of the time on trying to kill it. Oops, how? Why? Oh, right, that's because the... yeah, the maximum damage here is the same as minimum. Wait, how? Single float, double float, integer, datum 0. How that happened? Okay, anyway, let's put it into 2. Damage, max damage. Oh, that's the same as for my character. Okay, so let's... I don't know. HP. Let's maybe set its HP to 10. Yeah. Just a bit of cheating. Alright, here I go. Oh, yeah, right. Failed to open Skeleton Knight Death 1. Why? What was it? So those sounds Skeleton Knight Death. Oh, Death 1, right? Yeah, right. I don't have 1. I just have one sound without any variations for its death. Okay, let's remove it here, and yeah, that should do the trick. Yay, it works. Okay, so I think at that moment I have probably all of the sounds I've had previously with the previous system, right? I think I do. So let's see, what do I have here? We have button press, that obviously works. We have gulp sound, which happens when a character picks up the potion. Is it here though? Gulp, yeah, here we go. So then Heron close death, close hit, swing, walk, right, loot, dagger, idle, loot, where is it? Loot, 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 loot. Long sword, NMO. Right, so I don't have a thing for loot, I guess. Let me just test that. So probably I would want to command this mob altogether and just, let's see. No, how do I? Damn, I forgot. I haven't been writing Common Lisp for such a long time that I kind of forgot how to do very trivial things. That's embarrassing. Yeah, but bearable. Is it minus? No. Oh, is it plus? Sharp? No. Ooh, that is embarrassing indeed. So let me have a look. No. Ooh, package. Oh yeah, that's that. Plus. So sharp and then plus and then nil. So why it is still on? It's weird. Okay, would that work? I'm just trying to comment one Lisp form here. Yeah, that would work. Okay, So, as I could have heard, there is no sound of a dagger dropping, right? Yeah, that is right. Okay, so I would have to also do that. Let's see how I actually do that. So I have a loot here, and it's kind of all of the possible loot options in a single animation file. So it just contains a drop animation. Okay, so what would I need to do is to just put this sound here on the very first frame, right? Yeah, I guess that would do. Okay, so let me copy the files. So where was it? Loot. Okay, loot. Idle. Probably I don't need the idle suffix, right? I just need wait a sec. So I have what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 sounds here, and I do have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sounds. I mean 6 items there. So what am I missing? Potions. Oh yeah, the sword is the same. No, wait. There are different. Okay. So what do we have? I probably don't need that table. Right. So we have great sword. Where is it? Sword, potion, long sword, short sword. Oh yeah, that's the thing I'm missing, right? Oh, I do remember now. I'm missing that because this great sword actually does not drop in the game. It just is on the ground. So, probably I would need a separate sound for a great sword. So, I mean, are the sounds for the short sword and great sword that different? They are a bit different. Okay, let me just copy those and then search for some appropriate file. Okay, so let's put it here, and where they are, L, damn it, I've already lost that. L, god damn it, loot, yeah, here we go. So we don't actually need this idle suffix, god damn it. We don't need idle here, and then here, and here, and here, and here. Damn it. Right, long, sorry, loot, great sword. Okay, so let me just try and copy some of those sound definitions from here and just put it here. So first, great sword. So the sound here would be what? Loot great sword. Okay. Loot great sword. Is it with a dash? Yeah, it is with a dash. Okay, awesome. Give me just 1 moment. Damn it. Okay, that is weird. Let me just leave that on, and yeah. Okay, right, where was I? Great sword, just a moment. Yeah, most weird thing ever. Right, so for the great sword, I think I've typed that. No, without one, loot great sword. Okay, awesome. So I would just copy that, and for the long sword, I would have loot. No, wait a second. I do have a sound for the great sword. So again, what am I missing here? sword, short sword. Health, long sword, short sword, dagger, and health potion. Okay, I'm just. I mean, am I that dumb? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I'm just getting progressively dumb. Right, where was I? So this is for longsword. So now I need the same for the short sword. Short sword. And then the dagger. Loot dagger. And then the same for the health potion. So loot health potion. Right, here we go. Okay, so let's see if that works. Yeah, now it works. So you can see this distinct sound of a drop in dagger. So I could change this dagger to something else. Where was it? I lost it. Oh yeah, here it is. So let's test all of those. Let's first test health potion. Alright. Oops. Come on. Ooh, yeah, here we go. So now let's test the what? Wait a sec, would I be able? No. Yeah, I was thinking to change this spec of items, or rather entities, to create initially in the new game, to probably change it on the fly, but yeah, in the current architecture I can't do that. Okay, so let's try short sword. Oops. Damn it. I keep hitting some extra buttons. Right, that works too. So let's test the longsword. And that works too. Last but not least, great sword. Come on. And that works too. Okay, awesome. So I got those. So let's get back to the list of files from a previous version. So now we had skeleton, sounds for skeleton, death, hit, swing, and walk. So skeleton, walk, wait, skeleton, walk, and yeah, skeleton, hit. Okay, that's weird. Skeleton, death, and yeah, I think that's that. So then skeleton knight, I just covered that with those skeleton knight, death, walk 1, walk 2, and that's it. Yeah, because the swoosh sounds of I mean the sounds of the attack are the same sounds, I mean, for every creature that has a sword, like this one. So yeah, and then walk, death, and wait a second, I'm missing the hit animation. I mean, do I? There is this table of armor class versus weapon class, right? So in this table, I think this would cover those situations. I mean, would it? Let's see. Let's have a look at the table. DB. So we have, like, I don't know, what do we have? Fists over bone. So bone is set as the armor class for all of those skeletons, and for instance fists is the default weapon class for a kinda unarmored main character. So I have this fists bone 1. Okay, so do I have it here? Fists, Yeah, I do have it here. So I think I got those kind of attack sounds covered. Most probably. Yeah, I think so. So actually what I need for every creature is just, I mean, to put into the animation file is just the walking sound, the death sound, and that's it, basically, isn't it? Yeah, I think that should do it. So then we have a sounds for spider ant, and then for a zombie. And boy, it's a lot of sounds for a zombie, and also this famous idle sound, which is kind of very scary hum. I mean, if you make it, yeah, it's kind of a scary breathing. So I think I left it there too. Zombie idle. Yeah, I did love that. Yeah. Right. Okay. So I think I have all of the sounds pretty much covered. Most probably. So to have this kind of major test, I would run the actual game with all of those sounds. So let me see. I would just put those into this resources folder. So let's see, fonts, sprites. So yeah, I would have to replace the sprites, right? And then the sounds, because nothing else changed. No, wait, there's also this new table resource which consists, well, of all of those tables. Okay, so let me copy that. No, not here. Here. So copy tables here, and then let's go with sounds. So here, right. So I probably don't need that. Do I? Yeah. Yeah, sounds. So I would just remove all of that. I have it copied elsewhere, I guess. Yeah, I should. So then let's copy all of those here. And let's copy sprites. So again, I have that elsewhere. I mean, I should, but just to be extra sure, let me just copy that into my temporary folder. Sprites backup. Let's put it here. Right, so sprites backed up. Let's remove that and put those here. Give me a moment. Yeah, right. So I would have to copy changed sprites without that here. Okay, so then what I have to do next? So next I probably want to launch that, right? And for that, how do I approach that? Probably I want to call a build script. Nope, open. Okay, so this builds it for the Debian, right? I don't want that. I want just a binary, yeah, this build Lisp. How do I actually call it? Build, oh, okay. Build.lisp. Right, so I call it with those parameters, and yeah, let's do just that. Dev build d, so I would just, oops, I would just do that. Right, I don't need that again, and probably that too. Right, so let's build the thing. I mean, it would pick up the newest version of the engine of the DuCloneKit library, and yeah, here we go. So now I could launch that with bin-dld, and it should work. Nope. How does that happen? Weird. Now that is weird. Okay, I would have to debug that probably. Let's see. LD src LD.lisp. What was about that 800? Oh, display width. Okay, but don't I have it here too? Huh. Okay, can I have a look into the log file? I guess I can. Into local share darkness lumen log.txt. So here's the exception that happened. What happened here? So blah 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 blah. We started here. No, wait. Where is the actual start? Oof. Yeah, start engine. So I have start engine here. All the arguments, of course, are unavailable. Some foreign functions that would obviously be al run main. So then we got into what? Into some lambda in the d2clonkit.lisp. Then we got into some another lambda with argc and argv arguments. Okay, let me have a look. Argc. Yeah, this was this run engine. Okay, so this 9th string here is run engine, and right off the bat we have string 800. How does that happen? So string 800. Wait a second. So argc argv run engine condition reported dear name. So what happened previously? We started ALSA. Yeah, we kind of initialized all of the folders, right? Yeah, we did. We mounted the proper resources folder here. And what happened next? We don't see the line starting d2clonkit whatever here, which means that we didn't get here. Okay, now that is properly weird. 800, right? So I mean, this 800 would be only possible from this. Sorry, god damn it, from this argument display width. So it was an argument to start engine. So let's see. What I have here in start engine. We have rest as config. So what happens with config? We put it into config options, and then we do nothing with it, right? So let's have a look at config options. We do that. Right. But the thing is, we don't see that line, right? Wait a second. Was it built with a proper version? Oh yeah, I think it was. I mean, the path here looks right. Okay. Right, so how does that even possible? Config options. Oh, wait a sec. I reckon I've implemented this mechanism kinda anew, and probably I haven't put a lot of test in it. Yeah, right. I think I haven't even tested it once. Have I? Where was it? No, I mean, I even had this committed, but then again, have I tested it with the actual Darkness Lumen game? No, I haven't. Okay, so my fault entirely. Right. So I think we just get here. Okay, let me just recreate this situation. Nil, what's nil? Okay, so let's just kind of duplicate that here. So I have that list, and then, yeah, I mean, why nil though? Wouldn't it work without? Oh, one warning. The function start engine is called with 2 arguments, but it wants at least 3. How come? Oh, that would be what? Table indices. Weird. What is a table? Oh yeah, I see table. I mean, what is table indices and how do I use that? Oops. Right, so this argument here again goes into this dynamic variable and set of data tables, build data tables. So it goes into build data tables, which kind of loads that, but then again, what is for given data and table indices, append table indices. Yeah, I would have to remember my own code, which is a bit painful, but yeah. I think that's the kind of the specifications of how of which information this table holds, right? Impact sounds, yeah, I guess that's that, but why do I even need this info? Indices, getF, indices designator. Oh yeah, that's to get the stuff from the JSON, because CastleDB actually stores those tables in JSON. And yeah, right, okay. Give me a moment. Oops, yeah. Just checking the stream. Okay, right. I mean, oh yeah, there's the documentation string. How helpful of me. Specifies the columns to be included in indices for data tables. It is assumed that columns and lists are alphabetically sorted. The columns list is so okay. Never mind. So yeah, that indeed is the specification of the table to build. That all is kind of weird, but yeah, let's live with that. Right. Okay, where was I? So I would just have to put a nil, obviously, into the DLD. Oops, how do I? DLD. So I need nil here, and then all of this extra stuff. Yeah, I guess that would do it, wouldn't it? Yeah, it would. Okay, so let's rebuild this stuff again. Yay. Okay, let's try and launch it again. Oops. Oh, yeah. Wait, what? 11 tables. Why would it need to open the table with such a weird name? Nah, this wouldn't work. I mean, it has kinda this colon in the file name that wouldn't be very portable. I need kinda simplified name, right? I totally do. So I reckon I had this simplified game name, so I would just have to use that. But where have I had it? Standardized file name. Probably that's that, but probably not. Yeah, so I do have a game name, right? But that's a long name. Yeah, and I kinda use it here for a table. So start engine. Okay, let's just search for game name. And what do I have here? Just the same stuff. Okay, all right. So, and what does this sanitize thing do? Sanitize file name. So, oh yeah, a nice regexp. Okay, so it just removes some forbidden characters from a file name. That probably would do. So, right, their name. I mean, I don't want to call it twice. I want to just reuse some variable here. Let's see. Do I have some outer let block here? No, I probably don't. Their name. I mean, I don't want this kind of extra tabulation with extra let block here. So probably I just want some extra variable or something. Right, so this may sound weird, but how do I make a variable in Common Lisp? I mean, yeah, I wasn't been touching it for quite a while now. Yeah, so I can do let, right? But how do I... this is truly embarrassing. Right, so I would just Google. I mean, why not? So the okay, Common Lisp variables. No, I don't want the dynamic variable, but I do need a local one. So of course let. No, thank you, not dynamic. Def parameter, def var, no. Variables, def var. No, I don't want def var. Yeah. I mean, I just want an extra variable without extra level of the indentation. How do I do that? Damn it! Style guide. Ugh. Special variables, global variables, name variables. Crap. Okay, so yeah, I would just have to stick with some extra let, I guess. Nah, it would be terrible. Game name. Yeah, okay, where do I set it? Let me just do it this way. Game name, I would just set it here. Just put let's start. I would put, oh wait, how do I do that? Weird. I would have some extra variable like same game name or sanitized. No, wait, how do I call the variable? Man, I'm so bad with naming things. Something like sanitized game name sanitized. No, same game name. Yeah, let's go with sanitized. Sanitized game name. And that would have the value of sanitize. Weird. Oh, how sanitize? Right? Wait. Sanitize file name. Okay. Sanitize file name. Here we go. Of for instance, this game name. I wouldn't even need let's start here. Right. Okay. Cool. Now I have this thing. I would also have the var here. Sanitized game name. So now I could just use that. So here their name. Yeah, right instead of their name. Wait, was it extra? Yeah. Oh, wait. Sanitized game name. Okay, so I don't need that. And then I don't need let's start here, and yeah, here we go. Yay. Yeah, right. Oh, wait a sec. I do need... Oh yeah, again, instead of their name, I could just use sanitized game name. Sanitized game name. Here we go. And again, here instead of their name, just sanitized game. God damn it. Game name. Okay, so right now we have only warnings about this, which obviously isn't yet defined. So let's do that and that again. Okay, awesome. It compiles. So why I started that? I started that because of here. Yes, sanitized game name, and then I'm over 80 columns. Hello. Okay. Yay. So let's see if that works. Let's build an actual game and try to launch it. But again, it wouldn't start because I still don't have this file. But now at least I can make it. So let's go to resources, tables. Yeah, instead of demo, I obviously need this one. Darkness Lumen the Dawn. With spaces. So darkness lumen the capitalized the dawn. Right. Okay. So where how okay. So let's try again. And yeah, it kinda loads. Okay, cool. Yay! So let's see if that actually works. And it works. Yay. So let's maybe try and beat the game to see if everything's kind of fine. That is loud. Hello, let me have the dagger. Okay, now I have a dagger, and let's kill that next one. Hello, short sword. Oops, 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 nope, 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 nope. Okay. Awesome. So let's move forward. No one drops a health potion, of course. That's my luck. Hello, beautiful. No health potion again. Thank you very much. So the next one. Yeah, it kind of stucks into the fence. Awesome. And I stuck it in the fence too. Okay, I would have to fix that at some point. So where's the next one? And it stucks into the house. I mean, into the edge of the house. Hello? Oh yeah, health potion. Thank you very much. So there's the next spider ant. Hello? Wait, was it a gulping sound or have I missed that? Okay, let me just recheck. I mean, how does that even work? Oh. Wait. Gulp, right? So, let me see. Gulp. Right, so it's kind of custom, but it's here. I mean, probably I haven't heard that. Okay, so let me be more vigilant and test this separately. And I mean, I kinda can't hear the sound of the weapon dropping, or could I? Okay, let me just... I think I haven't heard the gulping sound. That's kinda bad. And now I should hear this idling, zombie idling sound. Yeah, I do hear it. Awesome. Okay, so let's try and kill that too. No drop, thank you. So let's kill this next one. Okay, here's the bottle. So let's try and drink that. Yeah, I could hear the gulping sound, so that is fine too. Okay, awesome. Wow, that sound was scary. Yeah, okay. So let's leave it here and yeah, move forward. I want to kinda just beat the game till the end. Yeah, a bit loud, but okay. So I reckon there was this second skeleton. Yeah, here I go. Okay. No one drops any butter loot, so yeah, let's just go with that. Okay, it's weird that there's no comments. Probably there's problem with my restream setup. It's kinda, yeah, give me a moment. Nope. Okay. Oh yeah, right. Just a moment. Yeah, okay, that works. Right, where was I? So yeah, I was kind of moving to play the game through. And boy, those zombies are loud. Probably I should kinda normalize it a bit. Oh wait, I haven't made the sound normalization, did I? Yeah, probably I want to go with that. Yeah, let me do that. Okay, so first of all, I would need to back up all of these sounds before normalization. Yeah, I'm remembering that something is off. So I would need to normalize all of the sounds to some maximum volume. Let me think. Yeah, I'm not really sure how to do that, but I will try. So let's copy all the files, just 2 megabytes, but yeah, unnormalized. All right, we get it. So we will have to go here, probably in a new console, and normalize it. So I reckon there was some instrument, some tool I was using previously for that, some kind of specific for an OGG file Linux program. So it was like OGG normalize or something like that. No, normalize something. Normalize. Oh yeah, normalize OG. Where does that come from? Let's see. I mean, it's kind of weird that I have it already and haven't installed it previously, or yeah, I mean, why would I install that? Media sound normalize. Weird. Yeah, I guess I've just installed that. Nope, thank you, go to the... damn it, I would have to ban you. So, how do I do that? Mod view. Some spam in the chat, so I have to deal that. Things. Let's just oh man. Okay, I would have to just Google how to remove message from Twitch. Remove message from Twitch chat. Okay, the message, click the delete message icon trash can on the left side of the username. Damn it, but I don't have any trash icon here. Now that is awkward. Report, appropriate threats, sweet speech, spam. I think this is a bot account. Print filtered messages, close. Okay, but how do I actually remove the message? Ban. Oh yeah, okay, message was deleted. Okay, that would work. Yeah, sorry for this technical problem. Now back to the task at hand. So yeah, I've installed that thing previously for some reason. So yeah, where was I? I probably should try calling it and see what that will do. So normalize volume, blah blah blah, decode and run, normalize and re-encoding. It requires much extra space, blah blah blah. Batch and mix mode, all files be decoded, blah 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 blah. These arguments are passed as arguments to normalize. Run normalize help for more info. Okay. So yeah, the bitrate. I would also want that. Re-encode backup. I don't need backup force output. Alright. So, first of all, I need to figure out my bitrate for those files. I mean, would just the file command show it? Yeah. 44. No, wait, that's not a bitrate. That's the. Wait, is it though? Something like gulp. 40. Yeah, weird. Bytes per second, so that would be 240 kilobytes per second. Okay, and this is even more, like almost 500 megabytes. Okay, bitrate of re-encoded file. Okay, so probably I could use ffprobe to check that bitrate. Yeah, here we go. So probably I should just grab bitrate. Yeah, that's not very convenient. Okay, some googling again. So Linux command line, how to get OGG bitrate. How do I get bitrate via the command line? Well, that's for an MP3, and yeah, not very convenient. Do I have media info command? No, I don't. Exif tool. Do I have? Yeah, I do have Exif tool. So let's try that with audio bitrate and something like gulp. Hello. So yeah, it does not do a trick. Grab stream, nope. Quite, damn it. So yeah, if the default bitrate is 128, that's a bit from a low side, isn't it? But then again, do I really care? I mean, I just want to work on the engine. I don't really want this to be perfect. Okay, that's hard to tell myself to not be a perfectionist. But yeah, let's try that. Let's just go with the flow. Let's see what normalize comment expects. So yeah, that's the actual thing here. Normalize the volume to the target amplitude. Batch mode, get average of all levels and then use one adjustment based on the average level for all files. Clip in term of limiter, do clip instead. Limiter, what's the difference between limiter and clipping? Limiter, weird. Fractions, display levels as fractions of maximum amplitude instead of decibels. Gain, dot compute levels, just apply adjustments to files. Limiter, limit all samples above left, default -6. Mix mode, get average of all levels and normalize volume of each file to the average. How it is different from batch? Get average of all levels and use one adjustment for all files and normalize volume of each file to the average. Okay, and how's that? Use one adjustment based on the average level for all files. And this mix mode and normalize volume of each file to the average. I'm not sure. Compute to display the volume adjustment, but don't apply it to any of the files. Just by peak level instead of using the loudness analysis. By peak level, yeah. Quiet, decrease verbosity, average threshold, ignore the levels more than 10 decibels from average. Don't bother applying an adjustment smaller than 10 decibels. Increase verbosity, force adjusted files to have W bit samples. What is a W bit? Oh, yeah, I see. Version, and yeah, okay, let's try that. Normalize OGG minus B, which is batch star.ogg. Yeah, let's see. Oh, hello. How come? What is happening here? Minus B option file. Weird. File. Yeah, okay. What if I ls -1 those files and then get it to xargs? And then how do I use xargs again? Something like that. Normalize -b. Weird. That is super weird. Can't exec comma? Stopped it. What the heck is that? Oh, of course it is a shell script. So, same effect as a backtick, but shell meta characters and expanded. Close baby. Wait, is it Perl? It is Perl. God damn it. I wasn't hoping to see this in my life. So, what the heck is happening here? Arcs, redval, open baby, minus can't fork, process ID, normal baby, redval, close baby. Damn. Yeah, right. Okay, what if I just call normalize? Oh. Airplane adjustment. Okay, it tries to open a WAF file, right? Yeah, right. Computer levels. Okay. Let's just Google something about that crap. Normalize OGG. How the heck do I even start it? For starters. Porting box, yeah, of course. Normalize OGG. Can't see any examples here. Normalize here, let's search for that. Oh. Weird. It kind of wants a single file, isn't it? Normalize OGG. But how would that work? No, weird. Verb is gain, the pendant of mp3 gain. Okay, do I have it? No, I don't. Verb is gain minus a will treat all the files as an album. That is probably what I need. Verb is gain. Utility psychoacoustic method to correct the volume to predefine the synthesize loudness. Replacement. Yeah, probably I would want to leave out some of the files, like those zombie breathing sounds. Okay, give me a sec. Where's my... Right. The end result is that playback is both more convenient and of high quality. Okay. Yeah, probably I want to go into those. Whoa, what the heck is that? I certainly don't need all of that crap. Norm AAA. Yeah, sure. Oops. How do I... Right. Where was I? Yeah, I need to remove these zombie idle sounds because I'm happy with their loudness level as it is. I don't need it to be normalized. Yeah. So I would just remove that. I mean, I have those here in unnormalized. Okay, so verb is gain, huh? Let me just try with that. Okay, I do have this in repo, so let's give it a go. So I have a Gentoo distribution as my primary Linux, so yeah, it would take a bit of time to compile. I mean, just a tiny fraction compared to some kind of Debian, it's just the same. Okay, so how do I call it again? Verb is gain minus a. Okay, let's try that. Yay! Recommended album gain. So it has some kind of neat table. Peak, scale, and new peak. Okay. So let me just randomly click at those sounds now. Yeah, I guess that will do. Yeah, sounds more or less the same, but this one does not. Yeah, okay. But yeah, wait a sec. Zombie death, where was it? Damn it, I lost it. Zombie death. Here. Hey, it sounds the same to me, but yeah, okay. The thing is, it's still kind of too loud. I mean, for those zombie sounds. So this is kind of okay, and this is a bit too low, and this is a bit too loud, isn't it? Oops, yeah, okay. Right, so I think there was some analysis here. So I want to search for a... Yeah, right, what? Why? Nope. How do I find the maximum level of sound here in Audacity? So this, I mean, I probably could just compare it with these values, 1, 0.5, I don't know. So let me just open, for instance, this one, which sounds too silent to me, and yeah, it is a lot more silent. So yeah, I guess Vorbis gain does not work its magic, which is a shame, but yeah, let's have another try. So again, I will remove those because I'm happy with their loudness level. So yeah, let's try something else. Yeah, right. Probably there is some flag to this Vorbis game, which would do this magic trick. Don't recalculate tactiles. Okay. Quiet, recursive, skip. Yeah, right. A sample rate. I guess I have a standard sample rate everywhere. So yeah, right. Okay. This hasn't helped. Right. How would that work? I mean, if I call it in just every file, weird. I mean, how would it get the general, I mean, the total length, the total like level, the average level of all of those files? Batch, yeah, batch mode. Get average of all levels. Oh, for all files. Right. So how does that not work? Okay, I would try just with one. Let's try, for instance, with gulp. Yeah, just that. No encoder available. Wait, what? How? Okay, let's try this one. Nope. I mean, what the heck is happening? So, no encoder available, normalize. No decoder available. No diverse compiled. Alright. That's about MP3 from some old years. Yeah, I've tried that. It does not work. But yeah, let me try. just change MP3. Oh yeah, I don't have normalize audio, I have just normalize. So, and again, I reckon the result is that it is trying to open it as a WAV file. They are not WAV files. Right, so if I use normalize OGG on the other hand, yeah, let me just use English locale to Google that properly. Yeah, right, can't exec, blah 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 blah. Let me try and Google that. I mean, this is a bit embarrassing, but yeah, that's how it is quite often in the software industry of mine. I probably want that in the quotes. Okay, alright. So, what the heck? Let me just try something like that. Multimedia hacks. Nope. Command not found. Yeah, right. Quite honestly, I'm a bit lost here. I mean, this is kind of the recommended way to normalize a bunch of sound files, and it is not working. What is this script? Okay, it uses gpodder. Yeah, I don't have it. Right, what the heck is this? Yeah, normalize MP3, of course. Like if that worked. I mean, let me just try that with MP3. I mean, I have a bunch of MP3 files, so let me copy that from music, yeah, whatever. Like something, I mean, something starting with P star MP3. Oh, how do I, why? Oh, yeah, here we go. No, sorry, I wanted to put that into this test folder. Awkward. Here, right? No, I wanted MV. Damn it! Why am I so sloppy? So MP3. So let's go to here and call this command. Would that work? This normalize MP3 minus B. Yeah, of course I can't copy that. Damn it! Now I'm just getting angry. So normalize MP3 minus B, right? Yeah, minus B. Star MP3. God damn it, it works. How the heck? I mean, why? Why, God, why? Why? Right. So I would have to debug this kinda system script. Damn it. I mean, what if I search in Gentoo bug tracker? Probably it is some sort of kind of local bug or kind of maintenance bug. Okay, normalize OGG. Yeah, right. 0 bugs found. Okay, alright. Yeah, I'll take it. So yeah, obviously it works. So let me just see what the difference is between those two. What do you mean identical? I mean, like, what? No, that's just that is just truly weird. I mean, if they are identical, why the heck the second one is not working and the first one does. God damn it. Oh wait, this looks off, because those are all the commands to convert files, and this kinda misses it. I mean, let me just go to its repository. So, where was it? Yeah. That one. So yeah, I feel like I will end up fixing some bug in this program. Right, 077. Which version do I have? 77. Okay, right. Let me see. So, let's unpack this normalize and diff the version of the script from this package with my, to see if that's some kind of packaging error or maintenance or whatever. So where should that be? In src, I reckon? Nope. Packaging? Nope. Okay. How do I find type file minus name normalize OGG in normalize this? Oh, so probably this means they don't even ship this script. Truly weird. Okay, let me try to do that. Where was it? User bin normalize OGG. Alright, so this command, which looks off, it looks like that here should be the name of the command to launch, some kind of OGG, whatever, OGG decode. How do I do that? Okay, let's just add command line. Command line OGG decoder, yeah, that's what I'm searching for. Vorbis tools. How the heck do I launch it? Damn it. Fuck. No, I don't. Oh yeah, OGG deck. So do I have OGG deck? Wait. Okay. Right, so OGG decoder. I do need that. Let's login lib Vorbis header on Perl. Again Perl. So lib OGG. I do have lib OGG though. But yeah, it obviously does not ship any scripts to convert. OGG to MP3, awesome. Is there some, just, I don't know, OGG Z? Yeah. Okay, so I should kind of guess it by its parameters. Yeah, awesome. So let's see. So probably it is, yeah, OGG-Z. So this command launch does not look like this one. It does not look like this at all. Okay. On the other hand, it kind of looks like ffmpeg, doesn't it? So what if I try that? I wonder what's... Oh yeah, it's probably the output and input files. So let me try. Not here, here. So let me try and call ffmpeg with those arguments, and then -f gulp. No, -f. Weird. So minus F means what? Oh, yeah, okay, formats. So let's try OGG and then, I don't know, gulp OGG. So what would happen now? Expected number for Q, but found minus B. And what do I just do? Right, probably I just corrupted it, so let me copy it from this backup. God damn it. So what is happening here, by the looks of it, it is just a conversion from OGG to WAV. So, well, I would just supply my own command. So, convert OGG to WAV, command line. And of course, yeah, ffmpeg. So how do I actually do that? Minus a codec. No, I don't want lame. I want OGG to WAV. This one. Yeah, that was easy. The thing is here. Yeah, I'm not sure what all of those commands mean. I mean, what is %m and what is %w? Let's see. Have a look at flag, and yeah, so here we have flag minus o and then just some argument. So this last argument is a flag file, I believe, or yeah, if we're talking decoding, that is flag file, and then minus the general options. So minus o, so minus o is output name. So %m should be the name of the output, and %w is the name of input. I mean, that's just how it looks. So our OGG decode command would be ffmpeg minus I %m, right? Yeah, and then minus just, wait a sec, yeah, just %w. Looks like it. Flag and code, yeah, looks just like it. F% decode minus W, weird. And then the command for OGG encode is just plain empty. So, well, amazing, truly amazing. So let's stack it here, so that would be the same, I guess. I don't know. Oh yeah, here's the comment. Why haven't I read the comment? So %m, the name of mp3 or OGG, %w, name of temporary WAV file, %b, bitrate of free encode file is specified by minus b option. Oh, OGG enc, yeah, of course. Wait a sec. Yeah, let me try with OGG enc, which I don't have. So how do I actually install it? OGG enc, yeah, what package is it in? Yeah, enc Gentoo. Yeah, how do I get OGG enc? Comes with Vorbis tools. Yeah, who could have thought? Okay. Yeah, I've derailed pretty heavily already from my initial goal, but yeah, the goal was to just finalize my work on the sounds and yeah, just make the new release that would incorporate those changes. So yeah, hopefully I would finish that, I mean, at least today. I mean, at least the sounds or its normalization. Okay, so do I have OGG Enc? Yes, I do. Okay. So I guess I need something like that here. Wait a sec, so would that work? Yeah, probably it will. Okay. And then here I would just copy this command from the command. Right. Okay. So, where was I? Let's try again with yeah, let's just copy from unnormalized all the files here, and then normalize OGG minus B star OGG. God damn it. Quality option minus D not recognized. So I reckon it is because of this change of mine. What happened here? Minus D not recognized, and then minus F. Haven't understood it at all. So minus D is date. Wait, what? Right. Yeah, that went sideways. Okay, so what do I need? I need OGG to convert OGG to WAF. Ooh. Any example? Please. Pretty please. Produces output at some file OGG. So output file name. So does it guess the file type from the extension? Right. Minus Q6. Yeah. Right. Probably I should have just went with just ffmpeg. So let's do that. Oops. Okay. I'm just a bit angry already. So ffmpeg minus I what? So we decoding. So we are taking as input the name of the ogg file, and then we output it to temporary WAF file, and then the same here, but just the other way. We take %w and put it to %m. Yeah, here we go. That should do the trick. Okay. Yay, it kinda works. Probably I should have put the minus Q flag, but anyway. So I guess that worked. So let's see. Let's have a look at our sounds, or rather have a hear. Oh. Okay. So where's the swing? Nah, it still kinda didn't work. At least how I expected it to work. God damn it. I kinda don't want to go through all of the files and fix the maximum level manually. It would be a nightmare. So I just want to call some command like that. Okay, let's have a look at flags for those. So first of all, I need to remove this this improper experiment results and just cp everything from unnormalized here, but then remove the zombie idle, which I don't want to normalize. Right? Yeah, right. So again, what are the flags to normalize? Help. Yeah. Right. So batch mode. Get average of all levels and use one adjustment. Yeah. Okay. First of all, let me just remember what is the flag to silence ffmpeg. Probably minus "q" or something. Yeah. Let me just Google. Be quieter. Hide banner, log level error. I mean, is it that hard? Stats log level 0. Show banner. Okay, let's go with that. All right, that should do the trick. So, right, what are the options here? Batch mode, clipping, turn off limiter, do clipping. No idea what that means. Fractions, display, this just changes the display, I guess. So, gain adjustment, just apply adjustment to the files. Limiter, limit all samples above level. Mix mode, get average of all levels and normalize volume of each file to the average. Average of all levels. I mean, that's a different mode from batch, so let's try that. Normalize under G minus M star OGG. Hello. Okay, so we're done. Let's have a look. Let's have a look at those results. Oh, it kinda is normalized, isn't it? I mean, this one is not that loud now. I mean, it is a bit loud, but still. And this is a bit louder than it was before. Let me have a look in Audacity at that. Right, and let's have a look at this one, which was the most problematic. So yeah, so it's kind of clipped at 0.5, whatever unit that is. And here, yeah, it's still a bit less, but okay, let me have a look at the original ones. So that was what, swing 1? Yeah, it's a bit louder. And then it was, what that was, hit 3. Where is it? Hit 3. Yeah, awesome, that worked. So that worked exactly as I needed it. So let me close all of that shit now, so I don't need any of those, and I would just copy over from unnormalized the zombie idle sounds, which I didn't want to be normalized. And at that, I think the normalization is done. Whew, that was a trick. And what's that? Switch to ogg vc temp. I mean, is that file okay? It kinda is. Weird. Just the empty file. Okay, let me remove that. Oh, what? Why? How? Okay, that happens. So, let me try and copy those to the game folder. And sounds here. Yeah, replace to all the files. Okay. So is it the fixed versions? Yeah, it kind of is. Okay, so I think I am ready to test that finally, and just beat the game through. No. Yeah, the footsteps though. The footsteps are a bit too loud. Probably I should have also removed that from normalization. God damn it. Okay, now I have the technology, so I know how to figure that. Okay, I don't need that, and I don't need that either. So, oh yeah, sorry, the wrong directory. So let me go here. How do I? Nah. Okay, so progs, dev, the d2clone kit, resources, sounds. So I need to remove all of those OGG. So now I'll copy those from unnormalized here. Now I'm removing zombie idle because I don't want those to be normalized. I'm removing all of the footsteps. So let me see. Foot matches. How come? Oh yeah, it's called walk. So walk. Yeah, probably I want to remove all of those also. Or maybe not. I don't know. This sounds a bit too low. And oh, this sounds quite silent too. Okay. So where are another walking sounds? Herring close walk, skeleton night, and then spider ant and zombie. So I've checked heroin and zombie. It is kind of okay. And then skeletons and spider ant. Let's see. Spider ant walk. Right, this one is a bit too loud. And then what was it? The skeletons. So skeleton walk. And then skeleton night walk. Oh. Yeah, that's way too loud. So probably what I want to do is to normalize them separately. Would that do the trick? I'm not sure. I'm not exactly sure, because some of those are pretty silent, but I want those to be that silent. And then some of those are not are kind of very loud, like spider ant and skeletons. Yeah, the usual skeleton is kind of okay, but then this spider ant and skeleton knight is way too loud. Oh no, that's the wrong one. This one. Yeah. Right, what do I do with that? Oh yeah, and probably I also want to split spider ant. Yeah, I also want to do the splitting here. But yeah, I will do that a bit later. Right, so what do I do? What do I want with that? I mean, can I kinda normalize those to some reference file? Amplitude, batch mode, cleaving gain, limiter, mix, quick display volume adjustment, don't peak, quiet, average threshold, govern the levels at the decibels from average. Okay, I think I can conjure some arguments here to just... Okay, so first of all, I don't want to touch any files. How do I do that? Just threshold, quite big. Yeah, no adjust. Compute and display the volume adjustment, but don't apply it to any files. Okay, and then I want to... What do I want? Average threshold. Yeah, I want it to be verbose, just in case. And yeah, I want just kinda to know the average level of those footstep sounds which are okay, which are what the heroin walk, close walk, and then zombie walk. Right, let's see. Level, peak, gain. How do I interpret that? Level, gain. Level, peak, and gain. Normalize the volume to the target amplitude. Default -12. Gain. Fractions. Just apply adjustment to the files. Just peak adjust by peak level instead of using loudness analysis. Okay, what if I use this flag? Oh, okay. That's weird though. Right, so now just pick average threshold when computing as well and ignore levels. Don't bother applying any adjustments. Smaller cursor opacity, blah blah blah. Alright, let me just maybe remove this verbose flag. Right. So normalize decoding. Okay. So what if I call it with this extra loud skeleton night walk something? Right. So what are those numbers again? God damn it! I should have called it with -v. And then this one. So these kinda okay silent walk sounds are those levels, like 20, I don't know, let's have a look at peak. It's -24, -23, etc, and even -29. Yeah, okay. And those ones are -5 and -1. Right, and what about the usual skeleton walk? -20 and -26. Right. Okay, so this skeleton sound is kind of okay, and I want it to have the same loudness as the, I mean, for the skeleton night I want the same loudness as for the usual skeleton walk. So which number of those three should I use? Normalize on to target amplitude. Don't compute levels, just apply adjustments to the file. Suffix dB to indicate gain in decibels. Right, so probably I should use the gain number, right? Gain, skeleton walk. Wait a second, why? Skeleton walk is 27 and 31, and those are 9 and 11, but skeleton night is louder. Okay, anyway, I could just calculate the difference, so the difference would be what, like 20 decibels, more or less. So let's try that. Let's go with -v, skeleton night walk, and then we want to do what? Where was it? Yeah, minus g equals, for instance, 10 dB, right? Non compute levels, just apply adjustment. The only thing is it minus 10 or plus 10? Okay, let's try that. I have the backup copies anyway. Oh, wait, what? Minus E minus G equals 10 dB. Weird. Oh yeah, that's without equal sign, probably. Right. So, let's analyze that again. Skeleton Nightwalk. Yeah, probably that's not exactly what I wanted. So, right now it should be extra loud. Yeah, it kinda is. Okay, so I've done that wrong. So let's copy that again from unnormalized skeleton Nightwalk star here. Let's analyze again. Yeah, okay. So the direction should be minus 10 decibels. Okay, let's analyze that. So now it looks kind of right, I guess. 20. Yeah, probably I should have used minus 20 or something. Oh, yeah. So skeleton walk is dead. It's still a bit too loud. So probably some extra 10 decibels would do the trick. No, that was skeleton walk, skeleton Nightwalk. 29 and 31. Okay, now that should work. Yay. Although it kinda should be a bit louder, just a tiny bit. So let me copy again those files here and use some value like minus 15 decibels, maybe. So 24 and 26, let's see. Yeah, I would say just about right. Okay, awesome. So I figured those ones and yeah, the spider ant. Yeah, so probably first of all I would try and normalize that. So spider ant walk GG. And that's 12, and that's a lot. So let's use what? Probably the same as for the skeleton, as the usual skeleton, and that is 27 and 39. So the difference should be like 20 this time. Let's see. Oh. God damn it, I just screwed those skeleton night files. So again, let's copy those over and normalize properly. Yeah, okay. 24 and 26. Yeah, let's hear those. Okay. So yeah, I want what I want. Yeah, let's analyze that. Okay, 12 decibels. So spider ant walk. 27. Yeah, that probably should do the trick. Yeah, that exactly would do the trick. Okay. 28. So nice. Okay, and the last step. Yeah, the one of the two last steps. So first of all, I would want to normalize all of the sounds, but without the walking sounds. So okay, let's see. So I would want normalized walking or normalized walk, and I would move all of the walking files there. So I would move, walk energy. Yeah, I would move that to that folder normalized walk. Yeah, then we just plain remove zombie idle. Oh, I've already did that. So now I'm ready to normalize all of those with -m. Yeah. Okay. Okay, cool, awesome. So what do I do now? So now I copy unnormalized zombie idle here, and then I copy normalized walk files here. Okay, now that should be awesome. Now that should work. So let me copy all of those here into the game resources. Replace. Okay, awesome. And yeah, the very last step would be to actually split this spider ant sound. Probably. Do I need to do that? Let's see. So spider ant walk. So there are two different parts here. And yeah, let me close some of the windows. Yeah. Right, where was I? Spider ant walk. So it is like 500 milliseconds. Alright, and let's see in the animation file. Oh yeah, sorry, I have it open here. So spider ant here, that one. Right, so its walking animation consists again of 8 frames, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, 8 frames. Each frame is 100 milliseconds, so it makes like 800. Alright, so should I split this one into 2 files? Yeah, probably I should. So this first one ends conveniently at 200. And the second one, yeah, we just started at 300. Probably. Yeah, okay. So let's do this. Let's split it into 2 different files and use them separately. Damn it. Yeah, okay. So this would be the first one. And I would export that. So where is it? Spider ant. Spider ant walk. So that would be spider ant walk 1. Okay. And yeah, let's close that. And this second one, I would probably start from 300. And copy that. Okay, so this would be the new project, paste, and then export to spider ant. Where was it? Spider ant walk 2. Okay, awesome. Right, I don't need that. So I would need to tweak that here. So this first sound is, yeah, dash first. And then this is from 0 to 100 milliseconds. This is from 100 to 200. So this is from 200 to 300. And this should be empty. And then this one, 8, is 300 to the end. So I would need to set it here at 8th frame. This second one, okay, 8th frame. Spider ant walk 2. Okay, here we go. So I guess I would probably test it on production already without extra steps. So I don't need this file. I need those two though. Spider ant walk 1 and walk 2. Here we go. Yeah, and I need to remove this one. Right, and now I also need to copy over the sprite of the spider ant. Spider ant ASE. So here we go. Yep. So yeah, I guess that's that, and I'm finally ready to do a final playthrough to see if everything works fine. that was a trip. Yeah, okay. Okay, that definitely sounds different from the previous version of the game. Yeah, but it kinda pops, I would say. It kinda clicks. Okay, we got a dagger here. Come on, pick it up. Alright. I would probably die here trying to kill the final monster, but anyway, I just need to have a playthrough. Okay, so we already got 2 health potions. And 3 health potions. Okay, amazing. So where's... yeah, it stacks again on the edge of the house, which is fun. Not drop again. Now I'm stuck at the edge of the house. Okay, I got the short sword. Awesome. So now the zombie. Oh yeah, now the last spider ant. And now the zombie should be quietly humming here. Yeah, I think it kinda does. Yeah. Awesome. So yeah, let's kill that creepy thing. That's loud. Okay, I need some healing, so I would get back to get one. Yeah, a bit awkward, and that I don't have the inventory implemented yet, and I need to do that to just get back to the item and use it. But yeah, at some point I will implement inventory. Okay, we got it. So now getting back. Yeah. Awkward. Yeah, can you move a bit faster, please? Okay. So now another zombie. Alright, and now there should be this skeleton here. So let's hear how that sounds. Come on, go here. Okay, that sounds good, actually. Wait a second, I'm trying to remember if I have the kind of pain sound for a skeleton knight. Do I? Spider and hit? Yeah, probably I kind of forgot about that. So right, we do have a pain sound for a usual skeleton, but do we have one for skeleton knight here? Come on. Yeah, we kinda don't. Wait a second, have I... well, first of all, what have I changed here? Yeah, okay. So, first of all, have I had this previously? So was it here in Sons, old skeleton knight? Oh yeah, I haven't. Right. This was probably another kind of I don't know how to put it, kind of the fictional part, like kind of lore part of the game, that when you hit a skeleton knight, it does not feel pain, so it does not emit a pain sound, as opposed to the usual skeleton, which kind of still feels pain. So yeah, let's probably leave it at that. Doesn't matter that much. I mean, there's already pretty scary sound for a skeleton pain sound, so I'm not sure I would be able to find more scary sound for that. I mean, for the skeleton knight. Okay, plenty of health potions here. So yeah, okay, what was it? The dagger? Why? Damn it. And I can't even remember what I'm holding in my hands, so let's see. So it is, damn it. Why? Yeah, that's the bug I would be working on very shortly, because kinda the precision of choosing the proper tile is quite bad. So I can't really like have a cursor over this item. That's not very nice. Oh yeah, hello. That is interesting. That is really interesting. Is it a new bug or was it present before, I wonder? Okay, the good thing is I do have the log. Yeah, this one. So let's see at the log. So, process actions, execute action type, item pickup item 137, make object sort, make component around, make prefab component for what? Layer names, health potion, dagger, short sword, long sword, great sword, all layers, emit layer sound. Oh, emit layer sound sword. Let me see. So where's the loot? The loot sprite. Right. How come it is called just a sword? No, wait a sec. I probably made a mistake somewhere here. Loot great sword. So it was rather the short sword or a long sword. I'm not sure. So let's see. Loot. Okay. Let's just recheck all of the data here. So loot great sword. Do we have loot great sword? Yeah, we do. Then long sword. Loot long sword. Do we have it? Loot long sword. Yeah. Then short sword. Loot short sword. Short sword. Okay. And then dagger. Loot dagger. Hello. Oh yeah, here it is. Loot dagger. So what is the error then? It tried to emit layer sound with the argument of sword. Okay, so let me see. So this file should be emit layer sound. Okay, let me just search for emit layer sound. Yeah, here it is. Emit layer sound. So to sort. So the argument, the layer was, yeah, right, one let sound from property. Okay. So we was inside of that flat when what happened? The value nil is not of type simple vector. So where is simple vector here? Is it inside of frame property? Frame property. Get hash. No, the simple vector. Okay, I kinda see what the problem is. Transference property. Returns nil if no such property exists. The thing is, it does not expect that this thing would be... Okay, wait a second. Why do I have the layer name of a sort here if we don't have this here? That is weird. So make prefab component. Use sprite system. Sprite prefab blah 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 blah. Stances count. Oops. Directions, frame durations, frame data, layer data, prefab loot. Layers initially toggled sort. How the hell does that happen? Item, okay, let's go to item system. So here is the drop hard coded, right? And I don't see the sort here. Okay, let me just search for that. Colon sort. Yeah, there's not even a mention of that. How the heck does that happen? So we got here from make prefab component. Wait, layers initially toggled sort. Wait a sec. So what if we search about layers initially toggled? Sprint system, item system, list type. Right, so I think we got here from make component, obviously. Yeah, we did this one around sprite system. Yeah, and here we already have this errors type sort. Right, make object. So pickup item. So I think we got here from pickup item, which called make object with type sort. Okay, let's see. Pickup item. So here it should call, what should that call? Make object. So make object. Here it is. Nope, not that. Job item. Wait, that's weird. So pickup item should have called make object, right? That's in the stack. So pickup item. I mean, I only have this one function. Yeah, right. Oh yeah, that should be some inline function which is called from here for sure. So idea is, oh yeah, I think I'm starting to understand what's happening here. Yeah, I know what the problem is. I kinda changed that too and haven't noticed that bug, and now this bug surfaced. So the thing is that what the player character would drop, it kinda happens here if item is not health potion. So what player will drop is determined by this weapon variable, which is equipped weapon class. And this equipped weapon class in turn is just the what? Weapon class, layer property, entity, weapon class. Oof. So what is the idea here? Oh yeah, and probably should remove this to do comments. Okay, where was I? Equipped weapon class. So what does it do? I haven't even documented that. Awesome. Right, so the thing is, this weapon variable got the value sort, and then what happened after? Then we called drop item, which by the way is not inlined. So how does that compute? Drop item. So we called pickup item, and then we got right into the make object with improper type. Toggle layer weapon nil. I mean, she doesn't even have, I mean the heroine, she doesn't even have the sword layer. She has this short sword, long sword, great sword, but no just sword. So that's the source of the problem. Thing is, how this come to be? Weapon, drop item. So what does do drop item? Does it call make object? Yeah, it does call make object. And it calls it with X, Y, and item type this thing. So wait a sec. Make object, coordinate X, Y, item type, and then session entity. Yeah, I guess that's the thing. The only weird thing is that drop item function does not appear here in backtrace. But yeah, whatever. Right, pick up item. Okay. Alright, so let's maybe try and fix that. Make object item. So this item got here right from the from where it's called. Right, so drop item, yeah. Right, so I think the problem is here in this weapon thing. So this is what equipped weapon class returns. How does that work with sprite entity for layer? Okay, I think it just checks if this layer is on. I mean, come on, this couldn't been this problem, because it always returns one of the names of the layers, or rather, oh, the weapon class. I see what the problem is. It returns a weapon class, and a weapon class here, for instance, for a short sword is sword. Okay, that is the problem. I found it. Okay, so now I want to fix that. Equipped weapon class. Right. Do I even use that damn function anywhere? Combat system of type. Yeah, I only use that here in combat system. Equipped weapon class. Right. Class. I mean, this distinction between like different types of an item and just the whole class of an item, I'm not sure that makes a lot of sense. But anyway, the thing is, I need some extra function which wouldn't return the weapon class, but rather the just weapon itself, right? Kinda the equipped weapon. Yeah, and probably just make it into the, I mean, kind of reuse the code of the first function. But anyway, yeah, let's do that. Equipped weapon, just equipped weapon of an entity. So it would probably do almost the same stuff, but here when let weapon class we will return not the weapon class but rather the layer, right? Would that make any sense? Yeah, that would make any sense. So I would obviously need to duplicate this code. And yeah, also, also make it inline, etc. Equipped weapon. Oops. Here we go. Equipped weapon. So we need it here. Alright, so let's recompile the game and try it again. It's nice that I found this bug. At least I couldn't hit the release. Oh, wait, what? How? Why? Don't know how to dump in dev component. Why? Preload prefabs, default make load form. Don't know how to dump. Yeah, unhandled. Compile file error. What is the compilation problem itself? Probably I should export that thing, I'm guessing. Quit. Yeah, of course. Of course I do. Oops. How? Wow. What is a... Oh, some part of Gen to emerge toolkit. Okay. I didn't know about that. God damn it. What again? Handled compiling. So I export that from a combat system, right? So what is wrong here? God damn it. So in SD file, combat system, and yeah, now item system, it depends on combat system, so it should work. What's the damn problem? Don't know how to dump preload prefabs. What the heck is going on here? Initialize action swing. What's... Don't know how to dump initialize action. I mean, what? How do I remove all of the cache? I reckon it was in cache. Common Lisp or something. Common Lisp. No. Ooh, what was the location again? Local share common Lisp. No. Okay, let me just find it in local. How do I? Okay. That was awkward. Local type main fossil. I want to remove all the fossils just to be sure. Okay, it's not in that local. Where can that be? In quick Lisp? Lisp. Nope. Weird. Okay, where should that be? Let's just do that. Yeah. Awkward. Slimy. Oh, but I'm not using slimy though. So yeah, awkward. I mean, what? Why? How? Are the fossils right here? Nope. Extra weird. So okay, that should be some kind of a folder called Common Lisp. Common Lisp, something like that. Like that? No. iname. Whew. Common. Right, by env local share again. Awkward. I mean, what if I restart this Lisp image and try and quick load clone again? Yeah, it works. In package. So what the heck is wrong? Okay, could probably exit right away. So I want just to build the damn thing, and it builds. I mean, how does that even work? Okay, well, let me just start the damn game. Okay. So I fixed this bug, and yeah, I finally want to have this playthrough to just see if there's no extra problems. Why it is so damn powerful? It's almost, I mean, half killed me. Oh, longsword. Hello. That is handy. Okay, some more health potion. Alright. Okay, I will save that for later. And kill some more spider ants. Hello. Okay, now to test this bug is fixed, I actually need some of those to drop some weapon and try and pick that up. Come on, go here. Just, stupid thing. Yeah, hello. Hi. Okay, health potion again. Right, let's try and kill that one. Again, a health potion. That's random. Okay, so now to test that the bug is fixed. Come on, damn it. Yeah, it works. Okay, awesome. At least I've caught that before the release. So that's nice. Okay. Alright then. So now for the skeleton. Oops. Stuck on the fence. Alright. Alright, that's us done. Alright. Another health potion. So let's kill that one. And let's kill those two. Hello, guys. Just pick them one by one. That was easy. So now for this one. Damn, that's a lot of health potions. Okay, now this one. And let's go here. Man, that's a lot of skeletons. I can't remember putting all of those here. But yeah, anyway. Again, I'm stuck on the thing here. Okay. Yeah, that's a lot of health potions. Alright. So now to pick up a great sword. Come on, goddammit. Yeah, here we go. So now I probably should pick those usual skeletons one by one. I mean, that's my win strategy for the game. Alright. So now we got only one usual skeleton left. Oh yeah, there's two. Okay, let's kill this one. And there is... just go here. Oh yeah, there's this invisible wall. Okay. And now let's kill this big ugly motherfucker. Ha, it's stuck. Okay. Come on, goddammit. Ooh. That was heavy. Yeah, probably I should tweak its damage or something. Or maybe just leave it be to, like, make the game more Souls-like, to be more hard. Come on, pick that up, goddammit. Okay. Okay, it is conveniently stuck at this gravestone, so let's... oops, almost dead. Okay, that is awkward. probably it is trying to chase me as of now. Which is awkward again. Come on, damn it. Alright, probably I should pick one more here to be totally healthy. God damn it. Yeah, I think I can even try and beat it, actually. Okay, go here, motherfucker. Show it. Oh, it's unstuck now. That's a problem. Almost dead. And this thing is kinda half the health. That's bad. Okay, I think I still can beat it though. Just to see if the game's still beatable. And kinda no bugs are present. Okay, alright. So yeah, I think at this point I'm happy with all of the resource files. Oh yeah, it's one more skeleton here. I'm happy with all of the resource files. And yeah, I can just make a new release. I mean, I've fished a couple of bugs here, so yeah, that should be ready for release. Okay, that's a handy plethora of health potions here. And yeah, this one. And yeah, this another one. Come on, pick that up. And is it any more here at the very beginning? Nope. Okay, let's get back and kill that motherfucker. Yeah, that's a bit slow. Just a tiny bit. So yeah, I made the movement speed of that. Oh yeah, here's that thing stuck in the fence again. Yeah, okay, it's unstuck. So I just made its movement speed quite low so that it wouldn't like be this ultimate Terminator, which is able to... Okay, now I'm dead. Oh, I'm not. I won. Yay! I actually beat it. So yeah, the game's still beatable. Wow. Yeah, I think there's one small skeleton left there, but then again, you could easily kill it. So yeah, I think that's that. The game's ready for release, so I don't really have a lot more time for today to make a release. So I guess I would make one at the next stream, which would happen next Saturday. So yeah, thanks for watching, and yeah, thanks for staying with me. Check out the game. The links are all in the description or whatever you are watching on the description part below. So yeah, thanks again for watching. Take care and goodbye.